Okay, so there's multiple ways that we can write the rules for the multiplication and division of integers. So I'm going to show you the several different ways. You pick which one works best for you. Okay. Yesterday we talked about same and different. So the way that you would write that one is I typically set it up in a T-chart. Okay. And when I say same and different, what am I talking about? The signs, yes. So same sign, different sign. So if the signs are the same, it's positive. If the signs are different, it's negative. If that makes sense for you, use it. Okay? I'm going to show you two more ways. I want everyone to draw a tic-tac-toe board. And if you're someone who likes using the colors for the positives and negatives, you can do that or you don't have to. So you'll put positives and a tic-tac-toe going diagonally. Just like that. Everywhere else is a negative. And let me show you how to make this work. No matter where you go on this tic-tac-toe board, it will give you your answer. If I look at the top row, positive times a negative equals a negative. Negative times a negative equals a positive. Even if I went backwards, it works. Positive times a negative equals a, look here. Negative times a negative equals a positive times a negative equals a, going this way. Positive times a positive equals a positive. Positive times. So do you see, no matter where you go, it's going to give you your answer. Okay. So I have a couple people in my class that are saying, oh, that's pretty cool. I like that one. All you have to do is draw this at the top of any assignment you're doing or any test that you're doing, and it helps you find your answer. Okay. So you have your same sign, different sign, T-chart, your tic-tac-toe, and let me show you the last option. Oops, sorry guys. Let me, is that better? Your last option is to draw a triangle. Okay. And it doesn't really matter what order you put them in. It needs to have two negatives and a positive. And then this one will also give you the answer no matter what. Let's say you have a negative times a negative. We'll cover up the two negatives. What's left? Positive. Let's say you have a negative times a positive. We'll cover them up. What's left? Positive times a negative. Cover them up. And a positive times a positive, we know that it's a positive. So all three of these will help you. Now, these are the three that I have always used. I've always seen people use them. But there's a fourth bonus one that my sister taught me last night that when she taught me, I was just like, what? Where has this been? Okay. Well, she's going to school to be a math teacher. So, all right. So I'm going to show you this one. So there's that. She drew a circle around it. And she said, he looks like somebody who's had a really bad day. Like he got popped in the eye, right? So he has a negative frown. Okay. And then she said, this guy looks happy. He's sleeping. So he has a positive smile.
What the? Just go. Just go with it.
This guy looks happy. So he has a positive smile. And then this guy looks like he's had a rough day. So he's got a negative smile. Okay. Ezra is saying his mom taught him that yesterday. A couple people are saying, yeah, their moms and brothers and stuff taught them those. Yeah, Allie, they're kind of like little math emojis. Okay. All right. So all of these will help you whenever you are multiplying and dividing. I'm going to write down a couple problems here. You don't have to write these down, but it's just so that you can see what we're doing. And we're going to determine what they're going to be. So if I have 5 times -6. Oops, hang on. I know everybody's blurry. Okay, positive or negative? Answer. Negative. And Miss Lee, can somebody in your classroom tell me it's a negative what?
I'm waiting, Miss Lanford. I don't have anybody that's ready yet.
-1.
Okay, yeah. Awesome. Somebody in my class went ahead and jumped in. -30. 5 times 6 is 30. It's a positive and a negative, so it takes a negative sign. What about this one? Miss Sauer, do you have someone in your room who could tell me what -3 times -8 would be? Hang on.
Miss Lanford, let it, yeah.
Sorry.
All right. I have an answer,
Okay.
positive 24.
Excellent. Positive 24. All right, Miss Lee, someone from your room. -6 times +9.
Okay, Liv, what'd you say?
-54.
Excellent.
No. All right, there you go.
All right, someone from my classroom. Oh, Kaden. -5. Good. Let me grab someone from home. The next one is 28 divided by -4.
Raise your hand.
Home people. Let's see. Cooper, you think you can help me?
-7.
What kind of 7?
-7.
Awesome. Okay. Look at this one. Don't let it confuse you. Remember what a fraction is actually telling you to do. And let's see. Eli, can you help me with this one?
That's +3.
+3. Okay, I was looking for Eli to answer it, but that's fine. +3. So that's what you're doing today, is you're just going to be practicing just straight division, straight multiplication, and then deciding if it is a positive or a negative, okay? So if you go over to Canvas, I'm gonna end the recording.